The environment of Aileron is one where you can learn from people who have been in a multi-generational family business for over 80 years or a brand new business just like mine.
And it was a business that I was running, and it was also running me. It took a lot of time and effort. I was putting between 40 and 50,000 miles a year on a car, running between different offices across the state of Louisiana.
My business was struggling. My wife was worried about my health. My kids were able to see it, and I was ready for help.
There's a lot of times it'd be easier to go back and be an engineer and do, the daily work at the business and push the stuff, the culture, the people development, the strategy, the leadership items aside and not worry about some of those things and just let the business keep doing what it's been doing and see if it would be successful.
I mean, how hard could it be to open a sprinkler business and run our own company? And I guess what we found out is it is very hard.
It's a little bit like starting down a path without a map and then all of a sudden discovering the map along the way. It's given me a new set of tools to sort of see my life through a lens. What Aileron gave me was a path that my wife and I can shoot for in terms of a quality of life experience and yet continue to grow the business, not just for the sake of growth, but with an intentionality of why we want to grow the business.
Since going through the Aileron system and now being active with Aileron, we are light years ahead of where we'd be.
What we learned is that a guy who hung sprinkler pipe for a living and a stay-at-home mom really can step out and start a company and run a business. And it's definitely not easy, but it's very rewarding and challenging. It's just given us a lot more confidence and some support to take calculated risks and believe in what we're doing and make strides forward.
Aileron, it started changing me after I met with them the first time. But you really have to have the thirst to learn and be humble and make changes and try to develop your people.
And I would encourage any entrepreneur who's interested in not having a business run them, but have a quality of life experience because of their business to come to Aileron.
Aileron is a game-changing, forward-thinking, innovative, perfect place for you to be. At any point in your business, you need to come to Aileron. It will change the way you look at your business. It'll change the way you look at yourself in the mirror every day that you get up to say, why am I here and what am I doing? You'll find the answers at Aileron.